Hello, my amazing people. Welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to the place wait for the see our video. So, my people, today we want to talk about Sister Osinachi, the late Sister Osinachi. The main reason why they talk about this video, I don't like talking about people when die for my channel. I don't like them. So the main reason why they talk about this video is that women, please, if una dey into any relationship, say the relationship na gbas every day, mona try let her to walk away from that kind of relationship or from that kind of marriage. Abeg, we know say most of us, we don't love, we no like to live, or go dey fear our friends will laugh us. E better say they laugh than they cry your enemy. Who they laugh no better pass who they cry. We know say nobody will no go die. Everybody go rest in peace one day. But let am be normal. Say maybe person sick, he can't die, or he just sleep, he no wake up again. No be say he husband pane beat am, na the person can't take by. That one not good for you. So my beautiful sisters are there. Mona try to let her to walk away if it not good. Mo we not dey bear again. Bear and let's bear it. Let's bear it. It go good one day. It go na lie. They not the good. When they don't start to they raise their hands, just know say they don't start and they don't start. When they don't start to they beat you, know say they don't start. If they never start, it good. But the moment they start, know say they don't start. So, my beautiful lady are there. Mo let her to walk away. It's better say they laugh us, our friends laugh us. She not fit stay, she not marry again. Than say, ew, so she don't buy. That one not good for you. They can't they cry you. It not good. So my people, una see Sister Osinachi so when late. Popular musician, everybody know her for her good sing, for the gift when God bless her with, for her beautiful voice. If that woman sing, heaven will open. That woman they sing, they sing with her mind. That woman not be woman now when person go come and say she they cheat on her husband, now make her husband the panebita her every time. That woman not be that kind of woman. We know say everybody get character. If with your husband feel they get issue, but not be beating. That woman not be woman when they go say she go show, he can't go follow another man sleep, then make your husband they beat her. No, she's not that type of person. I don't know her, but somebody appearance go make you know who the person is. But why the beating? I did watch one video yesterday where the person say the moment this woman music bro, the woman start to get people that they call her for show. Now that moment, her husband start to heavy her wife. Why you they heavy your wife, brother? Your wife will be say the same money when she they make. Now you and now you get that money. If you get progress, she go free bring that money come out for pocket. They solve problem for you. Even though say not be all. Woman wey dey with you for the same house, you dey heavy her. Nobody will not get this jealous spirit. But if you let yourself, if you let jealousy use you, it go overuse you. Now use this muscle. Wait till you dey jealous put. Say your woman go show. They call her for Abuja. Or they call her for Benin. Or they call her for where? you can't dey vex. At the same time, the money, before the woman will go show, they will pay the money. The money na your account dey enter. You dey vex. Why you dey vex? Why you dey heavy your woman? What, you don't kill her now? I think you dey enjoy for kirikiri. Dey enjoy for kirikiri now. Hope you dey enjoy for there. You dey eat your fried rice, jollof rice, rice and chicken. Dey eat am for there now. My ladies out there, please mo try to walk away in any marriage when man for dey raise his hand up all the time. Because the moment they don't start am, they don't start am. Pastors, we dey judge pastor today say, pastors, why you tell, yes, pastor no fit tell you say leave your husband. Now for you to leave your husband, yes, when you know say this man not be person wey I know some years ago, as stay dey beat me, if he go kill me one day, leave am. Leave am for you to have your peace, rest of mind, stay alive, to take care of the same children when you say you dey your husband house dey suffer for. When you leave him, you can still cook for your children. You can still feed your children. You can still see your children. But now, this woman no fit see her children again. She don't go meet Baba God for heaven. She no fit see her children again. They say her children person they suffer for husband has. If the husband won't beat you, kill you, it's better for you to leave those children first. First save yourself. Save your life first. When everything is okay, you can come and get your children. My beautiful women out there, more try learn. And for we people when they mock person when not dey her, maybe she leave her man, or they not dey together, or they not divorce again, una dey laugh her. Una dey make many people they die for marriage. Una dey make many people they die for marriage today. They'll say, oh, wetin my community, wetin they go judge me, wetin church go laugh me, church go judge me, say me will be so person, me will get this so post. I can't leave my husband. Divorce not be sin. Divorce is not a sin. When things are not working well, when things are not going well the way it should, you get your 100% to leave that kind of relationship, that kind of toxic marriage, that kind of abusive marriage. Leave her before you go use your head. See our sister now. She don't buy. Her husband don't buy her. You beat woman, beat. Ah, God. When you go come down, may you can't judge this word. Because the sin don't too much. The same math one I tell they say una love woman. One I know say una no love this woman. Una say una love her. Because I not see any man, reasonable man, wey really love a woman. Say your woman God can't bless her with wetin she know has to do. God can't bless her. God can't favor this person. They call her for different show. You can't dey heavy that the same person when you say you love. So my people, let's listen to this pastor preaching. Let's listen to this pastor's message. A great message which una go still like. So let's listen.
It is better to be alive and there is no marriage than for you to die because of marriage.
God bless you.
A killer marriage is a nonsense marriage. There are people who can finish their wife or husband emotionally, psychologically, mentally. This woman is a shadow of her life. This man is not a man anymore. Hypertension, ulcer, pressure, arthritis. because of a useless personality in the name of a husband. Any man that slapped you, she can kill you in marriage.
Yes.
Quote me anything.
You are right. You are right.
Magana de Magangulu or is it multiplied Maganas? Am I communicating?
You are.
Somebody nothing before you can say, shut up your mouth. And you don't run for your life. This love, I love him too much.
My people, now hear wetin our daddy in the Lord say, Pastor Paul. Now he just drop this message so my people, any pastor will tell you say divorce na sin. Divorce is not a sin. When things are not working well, 100%, you have every right to divorce him, or he has every right to divorce you. Divorce no be sin at all. Nowhere for Bible when God for say do not divorce your husband or do not divorce your wife. Nowhere where God for talk that one for Bible. God say make man and woman they come together, they will be husband and wife. The man should love his wife as himself, and the woman will also do the same thing to the man. But nowadays marriage, when we dey see nowadays husband and wife, na gbas. The man go beat. Some woman you go see their face will swell up today, tomorrow red eye go red, all the name of I want to marry. I don't want people to mock me. I don't want people to judge me say I divorce. When things are not working well, you no get right to leave that place where things are not working well, where man for dey beat you, dey raise him hand up every day, dey beat you. You no get right to walk away where God for come out for heaven come tell una say divorce na sin. I know say no pastor go fit advise any woman to leave his marriage or leave her marriage. But at least we human, as you be woman be, you go use your brain say, this my pastor, you know, if he tell me say me I leave my husband though. You need to use your brain and walk away. Walk away, not be sin. God not say na sin for anywhere. I not see where God for say walk away from anything when not sweet you. God not say me you go into marriage, make go dey suffer. Like some men now, according to the story of this woman when die, your husband money na the husband dey collect am. Wetin you say make this woman do for you when not do for you? They go pay money for where she won't go show. Now your account is the enter. Now you the prize money with people. Not be person where get show. Not be the prize money with people. Come on. So my people, women out there, more let her to walk away when things are not going right. When things are not working the way it should, try to make it work. But when it comes to say na beating, na gbos every time, walk away from that marriage. God bless you, my amazing people. God bless you. Please don't fail to share this video. Also, subscribe if you have not done that. See you on my next video. Bye.